So this is just another kind of picture demonstration of what the timetable is like. So on Monday, we decided to start the course. We're talking about the application process. We've been very lucky to have one of our medical students, who's Flavia, who is Canadian and is studying in Ireland and has actually lots of experience with the Canadian system as well. So she also shares her experience with the Canadian application process to medical school as well. And then Wednesday, we tend to talk about the biology of the biology application. So the first week, we talk about pathogens and immune system, which is very relevant at the moment with infectious diseases and different bacterial, viral, fungal infections that can happen. The grand round. So I'll just talk about that a little bit later, and it's a very, very exciting process that we have recently developed, and it has run very, very well with our last cohort of students. So this is a quick overview of the medical application process, which we will be helping you with. So the personal statement writing, emission tests, and interview techniques. Then the clinical application of biology. We've got so much to choose, but these are the topics that we chose in May, which is the pathogens and immune system, respiration, so about how we breathe, and lungs, and actually sometimes we can include the heart as well, and homeostasis. How do we stay alive? Why is our temperature 36.3? Why is our temperature a certain level? What happens when our temperature goes higher than normal? And why does that happen? And that is the things we like to build on our clinical application of biology. So this is the exciting part that I'd like to tell you about, is our grand round, which is basically building on the concept of research project and peer teaching. So using the clinical application of biology lesson that you get taught on Wednesday, we don't ask each student to then choose a disease applicable to that topic and then do some research and present it to the rest of the class on Friday. And everyone will be doing that, which is so exciting. Scary, perhaps, some may say. But however, after you do it for the first time, it honestly gets much, much better. And it's an essential skill that you need to be able to do as a doctor, as a medical student, and as a successful medical application applicant, because they want to see that confidence and the ability to be able to communicate in a group and be concise and yet clear with all your explanations. Just to build on, so we're talking about the grand round session, so that being basically a perfect opportunity to develop your research project and peer teaching skills. And we have then now included our 5 concepts of using evidence to basically choose how you would be teaching people and how you would do your clinical practice. And we want to help you develop your research skills. We want to help you engage with different topics and talking about lots of different multidisciplinary teams within medical practice in itself. So what I mean by that is, in medicine, it's not just the doctors working. We have amazing people like the nursing staff, like physiotherapists, like occupational therapists, salt and language therapists, which in the worldwide, that is how medicine works. We have a whole team to work together, and we hopefully can help you understand that we're not alone, and we use different people's skills and expertise to optimize patient care. And we also want to help you improve your communication skills as well, and develop your presentation skills to then hopefully help you with your interviews as well. And of course, most importantly, we want to help you with learning and hopefully help you with your learning skills and make you understand what type of learning style will help you the most. And then the last thing I'm going to touch on is the individual tutorials. So these are the 2-hour sessions dedicated, one-on-one session for whatever you choose. Lots of people chose to do personal statement. Some people chose to focus on emission tests and practice. And lots of people also choose to practice further with their interview skills and also to get more thorough feedback.